we're smoking ham steaks, and we're going to hit them with a homemade Carolina Gold barbecue sauce at the end. This is going to be good. Welcome back to Heat of the Drum. My name is Steve. Today we are doing some nice and thick cut ham steaks. We're going to make a rub from scratch to put on those. And we're going to make a Carolina Gold barbecue sauce that we're going to put on at the end to take those over the top. Now, the first thing we need to do is make that rub. Let me show you what you're going to need. A 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I have all those in there. Let's get the 1/4 cup of brown sugar in there, just like that, and get it mixed up. And when you're done, it's going to look like that. And what did you not see me put in that rub? Salt. And that's because smoked hams can tend to be salty, and we're not taking any chance of over salting this. So I just omitted it, and that's fine. We get that Carolina Gold barbecue sauce on there. That's going to add a little bit more saltiness to it too, so it should come together for us perfectly. A little windy out here today, but I'm going to use my shaker. So let's get that rub in the shaker bottle. There we go. Now let's talk ham. So what I did is I went down to the local store and picked out they were selling Frick's smoked shank hams, and I took it up to the butcher counter and I said, "Can you cut me 3 1-inch slabs off this thing?" He said, "No problem." So that's what I ended up with. I got 3 nice slabs that we're going to rub up with that rub, let them sweat out for about 30 minutes, and then they're going on that drum. And check these guys out, huh? And the best one is this bottom one, because he's got the smallest bone in him. I might have dibs on that one. But they all look pretty good. And we're going to keep this really simple. We're not doing much to these. We're going to hit them with a little bit of water. And then we're going to come right in with that rub. Just give that rub something to stick to. It's going to add a lot of flavor, my friends. Pack that in a little bit. Now, as I come in and flip these over, I'm just going to add a rack underneath here. I have to slide this guy forward a little bit. Again, we'll come in with some water and then hit them with that rub. I'm actually going to flip these back over just because I think they'll lay a little bit better. This one's not too bad. This one here, yeah, we'll probably just flip them all back over. Just like that. Yeah, they'll lay a little bit better there. We'll hit that top with just another light coating. Oh, what the heck? Let's just finish it off. There we go. That was all of it. How easy was that, my friends? These are going to hang out for about 30 minutes. I'll continue to dial that drum in, and then they're going on. Today we're using some Cowboy Oak and Hickory blend lump mixed with a little Kingsford. To that, I'm going to add some applewood chunks. And I am adding 1 cup of water. It's time. Let's get these on. Here we go. See if we can get these arranged. Let's get this guy over a little bit. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll scoot this guy in just like that. There we go. Looking good. Let the fun begin. The ham steaks are on. What are we smoking at? 275, right around in that range. And we kind of solved the problem. You know how sometimes when you're eating ham and you kind of get to the inside of the ham, it can be a little bland and not as much flavor as what's on the outside. By cutting those into 1-inch thick slabs, putting rub on both sides, we're getting a lot of flavor in there. And that drum's going to give it even more flavor as that smokes with a little bit of that applewood that's in there. Set the timer for 30 minutes. We'll get in and get our first look. See you then. We are 30 minutes in. Let's get the lid off and get our first look. The first thing I'm going to do is rotate. And what I'm going to do now is get in here and I'm going to flip these over. Just like that. Let's get the lid back on. Looking good at that 30-minute mark. We're going to give these probably another 30 minutes, but in the meantime, let's start that Carolina Gold mustard sauce. Got my little cast iron saucepan heating up. Let me bring you in and show you exactly what you need for this. We are starting off with 1 cup of yellow mustard. Next up, a 1/4 cup of honey. Three tablespoons of light brown sugar. Coming in with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Got 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Let's add some spice. What I got here is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Let's get that all in there. Good old Tabasco sauce. We're going to come in with about a 1/2 teaspoon of this. And just some tomato paste. What I got here is 1 teaspoon. Now let's get it all mixed up. This has been going for about 15 minutes or so. See, it's nice and bubbled through, and that's what you want. It's nice and mixed up. And I'm going to turn the heat off. That sauce is good to go. Let's get the lid off and get our second look at those ham steaks. Now remember, this is already smoked. All we had to do was heat it through, at least to 145. Let's kind of see where we're at here. 158 on that one. 151 on that one. So we're right in that range. 148, 149. Oh yeah, I'm going to get in and flip these over one more time. Oh, look at that one. And I'm going to rotate. Ham steak's looking really good at that 1 hour mark. Now remember, all we had to do is heat these things through. They've already been smoked. So usually around 145 or so, or wherever you want to take them to. I'm going to go a little higher with these. I'm going to give them about 10 more minutes. Then we're going to start putting that sauce on. See you then. It's time. Let's start saucing these bad boys up. Looking really good. And I'm going to leave that sauce right there, and let's get the lid back on. Got the first coat on those ham steaks, looking really good. I'm going to give that about 5 to 8 minutes to tack up a little bit, and then we'll get in and get another look. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Look at these. I'm going to get in here. Oh, man. We're going to give them a flip. Oh, yeah. And then we are going to hit this other side. We'll give these 5 more minutes, and they're coming off. It's time, my friends. These things smell amazing. Let's get them off. Look at these. Look at that, my friends. Now that is a ham steak. And the other thing I'm going to do is come in and give them a temp. And we'll let that hang out for about 10 minutes. It only took about an hour and a half to smoke these ham steaks, and we made a mustard sauce to go on top. Now let's get us some. And look at this thing. Wow. Let's get us a bite. Let's just come in here and cut right across. Let's get this down here and get us a bite. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No boring ham here tonight. And it's whatever you want to do with it. Make a sandwich, eat it like a big old steak like this, whatever you want to do. And I still got extra sauce right here, so if you want to come over and get a dunk. Remember, you can do this too until I see you again the next time on Heat of the Drum. Now let me tear into this ham steak.